Hi everyone, welcome back to AKB Guidance. I am Bharat, and today our topic is about what are the sources for UPSC examination preparation. So I recommend you the first and the important thing is that you should be doing your preliminary examinations previous paper. This is important that you can get what is the syllabus for UPSC from your previous year papers. It makes your works easy for to you understand the UPSC pattern. And I can say for the mains, at least you should refer for 10 years previous year papers. Then you should you should purchase a syllabus copy from market, or you can easily download it from a UPSC website, and you can check through your syllabus, and you should be knowing that your syllabus by hearted. So the next thing we are going to see is what are the sources required for the UPSC preparation. I recommend you the sources for polity. First, you should complete your basic NCRTs. I recommend you to do your class 11th political history, politics in India since independence, and class 12th Indian Constitution at work, contemporary world politics. And for and you should be doing your reference book, Lakshmikant. This is very important, guys. Many of the questions are asked from Lakshmikant. Directly, they will ask questions from Lakshmikant. You should be thorough in with Lakshmikant. Then next, going to geography. Geography, you are required to do your NCRTs first. Then class class 11th fundamentals of physical geography and India physical environment. In class 12th fundamentals of human geography, India people and economy. Then I recommend another two standard books, that is certificate and physical human geography by G. Celia and Oxford, or you can choose Black Swan Atlas. Either of it is necessary for your preparation. It will be helpful in your mapping session. Most of the questions from geography are asked from mapping. Next comes history part. History, I recommend you to follow either NCRTs or Tamil Nadu edition, but majorly I recommend you for ancient and medieval. You can go through with uh, Tamil Nadu edition, and you can purchase Spectrum for your modern. And for art and culture, you should be doing your NCRTs. This is basic, and it is enough for your art and culture. And for world, I recommend you to follow Vision IAS study material that will be provided by Vision IAS. And for economics, you should be doing your NCRTs with some standard books. So first you should complete your economics in class 9th, then understanding economic development 10th, and Indian economic development for 11th, and introductory macroeconomics 12th. Next is you can choose either of Indian economy by Sanjeev Verma or any other author, and you should be following budget of the years or previous year budget, and economic survey is important for your mains and prelims perspective. It is very difficult for you to complete whole the budget and economic survey. So I suggest you to follow any of institute's summary. After release of economic survey, certain institutes provide summary of that budgets and economic survey. This will be useful for you to minimize your work and make your work easy. And then for ecology and environment, you can go with Shankar IAS. And for disaster, follow any institute, but basically I will recommend Vision IAS. They will be maintaining some kind of standards while preparing the materials for disaster management or any kind. And for science and technology, I recommend you Neeraj Nachket Sar's textbook, or you can choose Vision IAS, Vision's study material. And plus you should be adding your current affairs or by covering any institute's monthly magazine and daily newspapers. And for social justice and society and international relations, I recommend you to take Vision IAS materials because they maintain some kind of standards while preparing these materials, so they are easy, they are given in layman language so you can easily understand. And after every chapter they are providing you with the previous year question papers and model questions, so it makes your work easy and simple. Then security, you can go with challenges to internal security by Ashok Kumar IPS. And for ethics, lexicon or vision AS, they will be providing three sets of books for ethics, so it will be helpful for you in your ethics preparation. And then next comes current affairs. You should be following any of these mm, any one of these two newspapers and plus PIB, and you can add All India Radio every day morning. So these are very helpful for you in your preparation. And follow any institutes. I majorly recommend you to follow Vision IAS because they are like stick to the syllabus, and with standards they maintain some standards, and those topics are entirely stick to the syllabus. Like if you want to check with I don't want to mention, but if you want to check with any institute, their syllabus, their topics are covered out of syllabus, and that is this waste of time. And you can follow your Vision AS PT 365 for your prelims and Vision AS Mains 365 for your mains. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video, and thank you.